One small pawn move, and the bishop is trapped forever.
The battle begins. White plays the pawn to e4, claiming the heart of the board. Black answers with the pawn to e5, refusing to surrender 1 inch. The white knight develops to f3, putting pressure on the center. Black responds with the knight to c6, standing firm. Now the white bishop slides to b5, the Ruy Lopez, a weapon used by champions for centuries. Black immediately challenges it with the pawn to a6. The bishop steps back to a4. Watching and waiting. Black plays the pawn to d6, building quietly, patiently. White now pushes the pawn to d4, striking the center with confidence. Black replies with the pawn to b5, driving the bishop away once more. The bishop retreats to b3. White feels comfortable. The bishop is safe on b3. The center is open. Everything looks fine, but black has a plan. The black knight captures on d4. White's knight from f3 captures on d4. Black's pawn from e5 captures on d4. White's queen steps forward and captures on d4. Now the queen stands tall in the center. White thinks the position is under control. Then black plays pawn to c5, attacking the queen directly. The queen runs to d5, finding what looks like a strong central square, but black is not finished. The black bishop comes to e6, attacking the queen again. The queen cannot stay. So white plays the queen to c6 check, trying to create some chaos. Black calmly blocks with the bishop to d7. The queen is forced to retreat back to d5. White has been running this whole time, and now black delivers the final move, pawn to c4. This quiet little pawn changes everything. The white bishop on b3 is now completely surrounded. Black's pawns stand on a6, b5, c4, forming an unbreakable wall. The bishop cannot move forward, it cannot move backward, it has no square, it has no escape. White spent the whole game chasing and running with the queen, while black was slowly and silently building a prison around the bishop. This is chess at its most beautiful. This is a trap that has existed for hundreds of years. The bishop is locked in, surrounded by pawns, like creatures trapped inside an ark with no door. And that is why this legendary trap is called the Noah's Ark Trap.